You can use a rotary hammer for both tile and mortar removal when done correctly, but tool selection and technique determine efficiency and surface damage. A rotary hammer fitted with a wide pointed chisel or a flat chisel will break ceramic and porcelain tiles and then chip away the cementitious mortar beneath. So start by scoring grout lines with a carbide grout saw or oscillating tool and lift tiles toward an edge to avoid driving fragments inward. For adhesive or thinset bonded tiles, choose a wide, flat chisel bit and work at a shallow angle while using controlled, short bursts, so the bit rides under the tile and pries the adhesive loose without gouging the substrate. When removing thick mortar beds, increase impact energy and use a heavier mass chisel, but move more slowly and clear debris frequently to keep the bit biting cleanly. If the substrate is concrete, be prepared to step up to a demolition chisel and heavier hammering. Wear proper personal protective equipment, including impact-rated eye protection, hearing protection, dust control such as a respirator rated for silica, and knee protection because you will work close to the floor. Use a vacuum adapter or position a shop vacuum inlet near the bit to capture dust at source, and plan frequent breaks to inspect the substrate for flatness and cracks, so you do not destroy what you intend to keep. For final cleanup after most material is removed, switch to a floor scraper or a powered floor stripper to remove thin adhesive residues quickly and to leave a smoother surface ready for new installation. Common mistakes include using the wrong bit and destroying the substrate because people use a pointed masonry bit for adhesive removal. Use a wide flat chisel for adhesive and a heavier demolition chisel for thick mortar to avoid substrate damage. Another issue is excessive power or continuous hammering, which leads to hairline cracks in the slab. Reduce impact setting, work in passes, and test a small area first so you can calibrate force. The third frequent problem is ignoring dust and silica exposure, which risks health and regulatory trouble. Control dust with vacuum attachments, wet methods when safe, and use a proper respirator for silica dust. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project details, timelines, and cost expectations so you can find tradespeople who match your job needs. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community, where we exchange tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences.